Hello again and welcome. Today we're talking about the gray card. This is a gray card. This is how you get your colors right in the camera. So use a gray card and you'll get all your colors right. Gray card's kind of important because if you don't get your gray card right, then everything looks out of whack, especially if you're like just imprinting it. You don't have any kind of raw format to work with, like a flat format. You're gonna want this gray card. It'll speed up the process too in post. So get the gray card. This one happens to be a small one. It's really nice. It has a little white background too, so you can reflect some light, you know, maybe down below the camera line where people can't see it, like down here. And then you raise that up and you get some reflection of light on a nice sunny day. Right now we're in golden hour, so I had to come out here and use my little camera and get the gray card going so we could get the right kind of colors. So hopefully that helps you out there. Find out or look up in your manual how to set gray cards. White balance is what it actually operates, is the white balance. So you want that white balance to look proper. You know, it's going to make it real easy in post. So do it right the first time. What is white balance, you ask? Well, white balance is the camera setting to eliminate unrealistic color cast so that something which appears white in person is rendered white in your photo. In simple words, white balance allows you to select the most accurate colors for that scene. That's pretty much it. I mean, white balance is important. All right, you guys take care. We'll see you later.